Hello everyone. Get ready to dive into a realm brimming with amazing surprises. From the incredible force of nature to the unexpected moments in daily life, everything is here for you to discover.
Oh gosh.
On a road near Everett, a Burlington Northern Santa Fe freight train suddenly encountered a landslide, an unforeseen challenge posed by nature. Give a thumbs up to show
Leave a
you're
like to
excited
let me
to
know
join
you're
me
ready
in
to
exploring
explore today's surprising moments with me.
The roads of Colorado fell quiet for a time before the power of rock slides, allowing nature a brief moment to rest and rejuvenate. Northern Nepal was rattled by an earthquake, which triggered a chain of rock slides, a testament to the immense power of nature. The central focus of this journey is the cliffs of Taiwan, where nature narrates its tale of strength and wisdom with every change.
Whoa!
A journey through the Blue Ridge Mountains in North Carolina became unforgettable for a couple when a landslide sent an unexpected greeting. The roads of Colorado fell quiet for a time before the power of rock slides, allowing nature a brief moment to rest and rejuvenate. When the Quib-Medellin Road was abruptly engulfed by a landslide, it served as a striking illustration of the unstoppable force of Earth movement. Footsteps on Dorset Beach were suddenly interrupted by the thunderous sound of collapsing cliffs. Incredible! A mud flow surged through Sheep Canyon, resembling nature's own uprising. Oh wow! And this is how Mother Nature gave an unexpected day off for a mountain road. Always remember to stay safe out there.
That was so loud. مثير.
Rescue workers in Alaska are giving their all amid the wild fury of nature.
Oh, du Gesellschaft, holy.
Rocks tumbling down Aiguille du Midi serve as a vivid reminder for climbers about the importance of preparation and vigilance toward mountain changes.
Well, we're safe. There's no ice here.
Holy.
Intense rains and landslides preceding the snow in North Carolina signal a challenging transition.
我靠！
哇，
这是山崩哎！
哇，这里要崩过来了。
It's not a cloud descending. It's a massive dust plume from a landslide in Taiwan.
That's not a cloud coming down. It's a massive dust plume from a landslide in Taiwan. A sound reverberates, bringing with it a sense of unease and warning. Remember to leave a message if this sound disturbs you as much as it does me.
A landslide covered a road in Tajikistan near the Kyrgyzstan border. Real display of nature's strength.
A sound
massive
resonates,
slide at
instilling a
Paintsville
feeling
forced
of
many
discomfort
vehicles to
and
stop.
caution.
But thankfully,
Don't
everyone
forget to
remained
leave a
safe.
note if this noise unsettles you as much as it does me.
Oh God, bulls. Let's go. I'm out of here.
The raw and the rising and oh gosh,